Oh, it's rainy outside. Perfect Saturday morning. A rainy Saturday morning. You smell so good. Such a muffin. Such a munch. Perfect man. I don't know what I'm gonna do without you. I know I tell you that all the time and you're perfectly healthy young man, but I don't know what I'm gonna do without you. I need you to live forever, okay? Are you gonna do that? Forever for mommy? Yeah, thank you. Because I'm not gonna be able to go on without you. How will I go on without you? I wish I didn't think about it, but I do. Is it okay? You're such a chicken. You live forever. You're my chicken. Immortal chicken. You're my best friend in the world. I'll see you later, okay? I gotta go to work, but I think I'll be home early, okay? 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 I love you. Alright, go. Go. I'll see you later, hugs. I'll see you later, hugs. Okay? See you later. You'll be a good boy. I'm gonna walk. Okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah. Are you okay? I love you. Can I have a hug? Hug. Hug. Shut your mouth. No. I'll see you later. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, chicken. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Look at the rainbows. What are you doing? What are you doing? Nothing. You're a little bunny. You're a little bunny. My little Coby bunny. You're perfect. I love you. Look at that chicken. You don't have to go to work anymore. You want to go on a walk? Yes. Look at all this jiggle wiggle. I find with my legs on the moon has a long time level that we picked up last year. Down deep inside your blood, I walk the walk. Look at everything. Morning. Come on. Come on. Is that okay with you if we lay here all day long? We're gonna just snuggle all day long in the rain. You're gonna have to go outside in the rain. Do you need to go outside and go pee pee? We gotta go outside, but you're in the bumble right. You're so cute, dude. That's a perfect baby if I've ever seen one. Good morning, puppy. Good morning. Good morning, wake up. Come on and wake up. Wake up. Saw a lot of videos of you today. Was Allie hanging out with you? With your girlfriend today? In the sunshine? With your girlfriend without your mommy? You were hanging out with your girlfriend in the sunshine without your mommy? Oh my goodness, how is that allowed? How is that allowed? It's not the same as not with your mommy home. It's so sunshiny. Ow. Ow. That hurt. I think you scratched my cornea. You scratched my cornea. Ow, you're gonna hurt me more. You ripped my eyelash off. See that? That hurt me. You're ripping my hair out too. You're trying to just get me to be all natural. You take my hair out, take my eyelashes out. Okay.
I need your advice. Do you guys get your dog's teeth professionally cleaned at the vet? I had an appointment to get his teeth cleaned, but I canceled it immediately. Now he's just going for a routine checkup. I have the plan that covers that. I can't get myself to get his teeth cleaned at the vet because they have to go under anesthesia, and that scares the hell out of me. I canceled the teeth cleaning because I got way too scared. Immediately went on TikTok and saw a video of a dog getting extremely sick after a teeth cleaning at the vet from the anesthesia, and now I'm just even more scared and validated my feelings. I want to be a good dog mom and get his teeth cleaned, but I do it myself, and I think I do a pretty good job, but it's hard to get the ones in the back. But tell me what you guys do. Do you guys get your dog's teeth professionally cleaned at the vet? I don't know what to do. That scared the hell out of me, and I don't want that to happen to him. So tell me what you guys do. We're going to the vet now. Ready?
Yeah, you guys can.
I was told to sit my fat ass in this chair at the bar, so here I am. I love this day. The best day ever. I keep getting all these treats and all these goodies. Oh my goodness, holy shit, this is a big ass drink. I'm going to get white boy wasted tonight. But I'd like to take this in privacy in a corner, please, so I could enjoy myself. I can't get down from this chair, though. Holy shit, somebody help me. I'm slipping. Somebody, please. I'm just going to sit here and wait until somebody comes to rescue me, like the queen I am. I will just wait. I am such a patient boy. Yep, so patient. Hurry, I am kind of thirsty. Bitch, get over here and help me. I need help. Get up. Get me off this chair, please. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Finally, I could take this and rip it to shreds in peace. I'm going to sprinkle it around the room like confetti. I love Valentine's Day, and I love my mommy, and she's just the best. And I'm the best too. Okay, bye.
I'm suffocating. I can't breathe. I'm suffocating. You're just a big baby. I think anyone can understand how much of a big baby you are. I love that I don't have to get up. I could stay here all day. Just stay here. Now I've always dreamed about this. You've exceeded every expectation I've ever had. You've exceeded all the expectations by like 8 million. Hi. Hi, Bobby. Come here. Do you know the Muppet Man? I I do. His name is Mr. Coby West. I love you. I wonder where you get so much love aggression from. It couldn't be your mother. I love you, you know that? I love you. I cannot believe that you're real and that I'm your mother. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky that you're my baby. You know. Ow! Holy! Oh, you broke my nose. Gentle. Oh, the love aggression is just too much for me sometimes. Coby. Who made you this way? Because it couldn't have been me. Who made you? Who made you this way? There's no way I did this. You know that we have so many presents? So many people love you. And we keep getting so many presents. Say thank you for all the presents. I missed you. You mommy so much. Can't wait to come home to you, you know that? Oh. You're so nice and muffiny. You're so nice and muffiny. You're just a muffin man. I'm not done.
These days it comes, it goes. Let's the mania.
Sad news. TikTok might get banned. We might lose all your friends. If TikTok gets banned, then we'll never see you again. I missed you today. My muffin man. That was a big nice one. We want your friends to stay with us so they could see you. Hey, follow us on Instagram. You miss your mommy today. You're so good with your friends. Love you. Follow me on Instagram. That's a bit, baby. A bit of baby. A bit, baby.
I'm coming up and I'm loving every minute of it. You be the DJ, I'll be the driver. You put your feet up in the getaway car. I'm flying fast like a wanted man. I want you, baby, like you can't understand. Oh, love on the weekend, love on the weekend. We found a message in a bottle we were drinking. Love on the weekend, love on the weekend. I hate your guts 'cause I'm loving every minute of it.
Okay, a few of you asked for a room tour, so here we go. This is Coby's sanctuary, and people were getting mad at me, saying it's crazy that he gets left in here all day, but he doesn't, and honestly, he'd rather be in here than anywhere else in the house. He chooses to be in here. So I have this dresser that I bought but painted and DIY'd myself with a spackle painting that I never finished. This is where all the rainbows come in, and I love that. So pretty, gives vibes to the room. This desk was originally white, but I painted it dark green and added these sticky tiles, and I love the way it turned out. Makes it super easy to clean. There's no AC in most places in San Diego, so I have my own AC unit. Obviously, my bed. People always think that this is me above my bed, and while that wouldn't be crazy, it's not. It's Halsey, and I'm so flattered. Slay. This is random, but we have a nugget ice maker in my room. Me and Kobe both use it. It's so convenient. I love having ice water. Then we have some things I can't show on TikTok, some paintings I also can't show. And then over here on the side, I have an air purifier, which I didn't know I needed until I got. We've been breathing so good. Kobe needs to live forever, so. And then we have this candle warmer, which has been life-changing because they never go away. And we have Kobe's toy bin. Now for the good part, this is where Kobe spends most of his time when it's sunny and not rainy like today, but he honestly doesn't even care. Look at him. He's out there during the day when I'm at work and my roommates are home with him, but it's so beautiful. We have a mini fridge out here. Basically, if I need anything, I have it. I could hibernate in here. Kobe loves laying in the rainbows.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi, my chicken baby. I've been missing you so much. I've been big missing you. Yeah, I cried all day about you. I cried all day about you yesterday. You know that? I can't believe how much you've changed my whole life. You've changed my whole life. I hope you know you've changed my whole life, sir. Have I changed your life? Yes. Have I changed your life? You're just a perfect baby. Just love you so much, and I want to spend all my days with you. All my days, all my time with you, and I don't think it's normal. Is it normal? Is your mommy normal? Yes. I just want to spend all my time and all my days with you. Can I do that? Like, how could I not want to when you're like this? The big baby. I've been loaded for a nice big hug. I love you.
I have just woken up from the best sleep I've had in a really long time. I have to say, it's because these pillows, like, they're so big and fluffy and cozy. Kobe and me can have, well, he's always on top of me. If we wanted to, we could have our own giant fluff. You already know Kobe approved. Like, he's the comfort king. Pure joy. Did I need something to keep me in bed more than I am? No. If you're looking for new pillows, get the Beckham ones. I got the king. The king for my king.
Hi, baby. Hi, chicken. Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day in the sunshine? Sunshine loving man. Ow! Baby chicken. Ow! Whoa! That's a big baby chicken. Have fun today. Yeah, I missed you. I wish I could have been in the sunshine with you. I wish I could have had a sunshine day. Yeah. You love your mommy so much. It's crazy.
I have a feeling this is going to go by really fast.
We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier.
Let's see if there's still ice in here from last night. Oh,
Except
okay, wait, circle back. This actually keeps your water so cold. There's still ice in here. Clearly not drinking enough water because I haven't refilled this. It's spill proof. It's so big though. Like, and this one during the day, but honestly, this one kind of feels heavier. Well, there's less water in here. I don't know. This one is pretty heavy, but these two are my favorite. No, you are perfect. You find every bit of sunshine. You're my sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me so happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't ever go away. Kobe, I love you. You're so perfect. I can't take it. I can't take it. You love the sunshine.
chicken. I can't believe you're getting rich all day. Or you're getting really rich today. I can't believe it's still on the TV. Oh my god, it's so much manifestation. It's just a baby. You did so much manifestation all day long. You smell delicious like a little monkey chicken. You're such a muffin chicken man. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm so proud of you. An aggressive lover. Can't believe how rich you got today. And we're ready to go.
I hope it's romantic all
ready?
my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign.
We would knock that over in a second.
I'll be lonely. I wish I put a little bit of me. Now I'm crying in my room, so scared to homeless. But still I wanted more. I gave a second chance at you, but now that you feel it still there. How the way it makes me feel the love isn't real. Can't be so down. I look for his arrows every day. I guess he got lost or to go. I'm waiting around in the rain and counting the days of November. His loving is good at the same. Now I'm so lonely.
Come on.
I wish I put a little bit of me.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. That's so nice. That's such a nice good morning hug from a boy. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Yes, I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Don't know what to do with your emotions? How would you give me a hug with those big emotions? Can I have a big hug? Please? Oh my goodness, thank you. Big hug. Oh, thank you. Kobe, you choked me out. Are you sorry? Okay. That backfired a little. Chill, brother. Do you know what today is? Kobe, it's our 4-year anniversary. We made it through. We made it. And the best thing to ever happen to mommy in 4 years. Actually, ever. The best 4 years ever. There's something special today. Loved each other for 4 years. Allie picked you out. Thanks, Allie. I love this one. Happy 4 years together. You make my life much better. If you were with me, I'd croak. Sometimes I wanna coke. 0. Oh, that's best Georgian. It's so nice to see you this bright and early in the morning, Mr. Cheese. I'm so happy to be greeted with you, Mr. Cheese. Wait. 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 Okay. You did such a good job. Excuse me, sir. What did you just... Is that yours? Is that yours? No, that's mine. Can I please have that? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Give that to me. Give that to me. Excuse me, can I have that? Mine. Thank you. Mine. Thank you. Let go. Thank you. It's mine. That's mine. Let go. Kobe, it's mine. Let go. So sad. No. Let go. It's mine. The death grip. The death grip. It's mine. It's mine, sir. Gimme. Let go. Kobe, let go.
Hey guys, welcome to the worst day ever. Nail time. If you actually like getting your nails done, I'm judging you. You sit there with restricted hand and there's an 80% chance you'll faint. Torture. But my mom got this new nail trimmer. She says it's not scary at all. It's quiet and there'll be no fainting. just slight vibrations. I don't feel so good about this, but I'm brave. Good thing it's wireless, 'cause I could do a few loop-de-loops and pulls and get this right out of here. Sayonara, but I got this. Is she getting me? Oh, my Lanta, it's peanut butter. Okay, this ain't so bad now. I like this. I nearly broke my ankle here, 'cause this woman's lifting my arm to the Mars. That's 2 levels, but we're starting at the highest, 'cause I'm no wimpy boy. This light sure is bright. Good thing, 'cause she is blind. This is actually not bad at all. We probably should have done this on our Sunday spa day, because my Grinch toe hairs are obstructing the view of it. They add character. I demanded a re-up for the peanut butter, but she wasn't listening to me. Oh yeah, that's right. But this no term makes this easy for the both of us. Use our discount code and check out the link in our bio. Bye!
I'm just drying off in the sunshine.
He's making it really difficult for me to get up. This perfect angel is just snoozing away. Look at the rainbow. Good morning, Mr. Cheese. Good morning, Mr. Cheese. Good morning, Mr. Cheese.